Thank you, Alana. Now turning to the coronavirus pandemic, one group of Utahns still waiting for the green light to get a COVID-19 vaccine is pregnant and breastfeeding mothers. But a study at the University of Utah could change that. ABC4's Sarah Martin reports.
One of the first clinical trials for pregnant women and a COVID-19 vaccine is starting up at the University of Utah. These volunteer expectant moms will be getting the Pfizer vaccine.
We're looking for healthy pregnant women who are between 27 and 34 weeks gestation for this particular study.
Dr. Tori Metz is one of the lead doctors on the research team.
Women are very interested in, the safety of this vaccine in pregnancy, and that's been a very difficult question for providers to answer just because we don't have safety data yet.
For this Pfizer clinical trial, pregnant women will opt in, then get either the vaccine or a placebo. But the CDC is already studying observationally pregnant or breastfeeding women who have access to the vaccine and choose to get one, like Melissa.
Decided to get it for many reasons.
Melissa works in healthcare. She was one of the first people in our state to get a vaccine just 3 months after giving birth to a little girl with major respiratory complications.
You just had to weigh the pros and cons.
Brittany's a teacher. She's breastfeeding and has gotten 1 dose of a vaccine so far.
For me, just the risks of getting COVID far outweighed any risks of the vaccine.
Sarah has 2 little ones. She's not eligible yet, but she is counting down the days.
There's a risk either way, and my choice is to take the risk of accepting the vaccine and hopefully lowering my risk, the known risk of the COVID-19 virus.
For all 3 moms, vaccination is a deeply personal decision. They say they understand moms choosing the opposite.
I can't have judgment toward that because, as a mom, you weigh what is best for me and my family every single day. You protect your family however you think you can.
It's very reasonable for patients to make an informed choice that's best for them, and that, as providers, we really need to be here to support them in those choices.
Reporting, I'm Sarah Martin, ABC4 News.
If you are interested in being a part of that clinical trial at the U or the observational study with the CDC, just head over to our website at abc4.com for more information.